Here is the full factory manufacturing method of Lay's potato chips, explained step by step in a clear and simple way. 1. Potato selection and storage. High-quality potatoes with low sugar and high starch are selected. Potatoes are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to prevent sprouting and sugar buildup, which can cause dark chips. 2. Washing. Potatoes are fed into rotating drum washers. High-pressure water removes soil, stones, and debris. 3. Peeling. Washed potatoes pass through abrasive peelers. Skins are removed mechanically. Waste peels are collected and often used as animal feed or compost. 4. Inspection and sorting. Optical scanners and workers inspect potatoes. Damaged, green, or defective potatoes are removed. 5. Slicing. Potatoes are sliced using high-speed rotary slicers. Slice thickness is precisely controlled, very thin, HAOO 1.5 mm. This ensures uniform cooking and crispiness. 6. Rinsing, starch removal. Slices are washed in cold water. Excess surface starch is removed. This prevents chips from sticking together and improves texture. 7. Blanching, optional. Some varieties are briefly blanched in hot water. This controls sugar content and improves color. 8. Frying. Slices are fried in continuous fryers using vegetable oil, sunflower, corn, or palm oil blend. Temperature 170-180 C. Frying time 2-3 minutes. Moisture content reduces to about 1-2%, making chips crispy. 9. Deoiling. Chips pass through vibrating conveyors or centrifugal spinners. Excess oil is removed. 10. Seasoning. Hot chips enter rotating seasoning drums. Powdered flavors, salt, masala, cheese, etc. are evenly sprayed. Oil mist may be added to help seasoning stick.